Hi, welcome back. Today I'm visiting Acquario Mediterraneo in Milan. Since I have the chance to visit the city for my business, I also thought, why not? This is a good opportunity to see one of the most interesting Italian aquascaping stores. I have been following Acquario Mediterraneo on Instagram for a couple of years now, and also many friends of mine suggested me to visit this beautiful store. At the entrance there is a beautiful squared shallow tank with admers and immersed plants, with some tetrafish and angelfish. One of my favorite aquascaping in the whole gallery is the 60p ADA tank with beautiful plants and ironwood and ornate tetra. Seriously, I've been trying for a while to pronounce the scientific name of this fish, but to me it's impossible, and I studied Latin at school. What I understood by visiting aquascaping stores and talking to people is that everyone and every aquascaping store's owner has its own philosophy. Before COVID time, Acquario Mediterraneo hosted high-class aquascaping workshops with aquascaping legends such as Chow, Filipe, Oliveira, and many others. I'm really looking forward to attend to one of these workshops in the future. Another part that I really enjoyed is the terrarium and the paludarium area. Layouts such this Dua Terra 30, it's really stunning and stands out in the Galleria. Riccardo, the store's owner, explained me that Acquario Mediterraneo has been one of the first Italian aquascaping store selling ADA aquarium for the past 15 years, which is really interesting, thinking that this store saw all the development of aquascaping trends and design in the past years. Acquario Mediterraneo in Italian means Mediterranean Sea Aquarium, meaning there is also an area dedicated to saltwater fishes. The way livestock is organized, it's really effective, and I really enjoy the natural look achieved by displaying all the fishes in rectangular displays, which gives you the result that you should achieve at home once you escape your aquarium. Another interesting area of the store is its wabikusa. So if you're interested in wabikusa, this is the right place to get some inspiration. So thanks for watching, and please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos of Lagoon Aquascape. Ciao!